This case of Schaefer's racing oil. We're not prepared. Hold on.
Thanks for the follow, big boy. Thanks for the follow. Ding, ding, order up.
Ding, ding. So this is a case of Schaefer's racing oil. Obviously, at least it should be. Let's see who sent it. Maybe it's inside the box here.
For all you guys that don't already, be sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Days of Dirt with Bradbury Racing.
Nope.
He said, oh, we're doing an unboxing.
So,
we are.
there is no...
If I had my guess, it probably came from,
I mean, I don't know. It don't say.
well, he said an oil filter.
Trying to look here.
Our cat's in here, you may hear her in the background. Thanks for the follow, Jim.
So there's no information on who shipped this or who ordered it. If you guys happen to be watching on YouTube and you know who ordered this for us, let us know. Let's see. Hydraulic Services of Florida sent us an oil filter.
Yeah.
So that would kind of go hand in hand, maybe the case of oil and an oil filter. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
If it was you guys, we really appreciate it. Comment down below, let us know, or send us an email, and I'll give you a proper shout out to whoever it was that sent it. But there's no information here on who sent it. So that's one oil change and one oil filter. So that's about, that's quite a pretty penny there. We really appreciate that.
Thanks for the follow, Ryan. Might have 2 shipments. For all of you guys over here on YouTube, we are live on TikTok as well, so you may hear me in the background. Might have 2 shipments since one of them, instead of 1, because Amazon is wild. Yes, they are.
Yes, that did come from Amazon. Those of you who don't know, over on YouTube, we had a couple of recommendations for us to start an Amazon wish list. So we went through and put a couple of items on our wish list, and all of our YouTube supporters have been tremendous. They've already helped us out a ton, so that was a product that was on our wish list, as well as this right here.
And TikTok.
Yeah.
Rick Bob's from TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok. Well, I mean, I wasn't just meaning that. I meant that in general.
Right, I know what you meant.
Here's a pack of Racing Optics tear-offs, and I'm pretty sure that Steve Reese sent these.
He did.
There's no information on this as well, but I'm almost positive he reached out to us about those, and I think that's who sent these, so thank you, Steve.
Yeah.
If you've seen our YouTube video earlier in the week, Steve sent us a lot of other products as well, and I think that box there was, like somebody just said, it got split up. So, all right, here's the time. Both of these packages here are from Rick Bob Yee. So Rick Bob is a avid follower here on TikTok, and we enjoy when he gets on here and starts commenting. We enjoy hanging out with him, so we're excited to see what this is. I'm kind of scared, to be honest with you, like Dallas said. So which one do you guys want to see us open first? You want to see us open the box or the bag first? Which one do you guys want to see? I'll give you guys just a second, let y'all answer that.
Rick Bob said avid comedian, in my opinion.
I'm not gonna disagree.
Rick Bob, you ordered some shirts too. I got some special ones coming your way. Should ship out tomorrow.
And anybody else want any kind of hats or t-shirts, head on over to BarryApparelCo.com. That's BarryApparelCo.com to order your Days of Dirt or Bradbury Racing merchandise.
So he said the box, and then somebody said, and then the same guy said, no, the bag. So open the bag. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, let's get the bag. Oh boy, I'm scared.
Did this come from Love Stuff?
Oh God. Well, this is not that bad. This is an all-star product. It is a starter solenoid. If you know anything about these starter solenoids, they go out all the time, so it's always a great idea to have backups. That's why we put that on the wish list. And deburring tool. So I put the deburring tool on there because when you cut your plastic skirts and your plastics, a deburring tool makes it very easy to...
He's watching the cat, by the way.
Yeah, well, I didn't know what it was. A deburring tool makes it very easy to clean the edges off. That way you don't have any rough edges getting into your tires. So, what that is, deburring tool. Rick Bob, you surprised me in one package, I promise.
Oh gosh, what about the other one?
Let's see if he left any kind of special note. Nope, it just says a gift for you. Enjoy your gift. Thank you, Rick Bob Yee.
Oh gosh. Thanks for all the follows, guys. Where are you running this weekend? We are not running anywhere this weekend.
It's got more, I didn't know that. It's got more deburring attachments. Oh boy. Moment of truth. I've been worried about the box, because the box is hard to know what's in there.
Alright guys, I know we have some questions on here. As soon as he gets done with this, we'll get back to those questions.
What's the question? Do you want to answer the questions and build some more suspense?
No, they're not. They're not questions like that. Just trying to keep TikTok and YouTube a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
He sounds excited, Rick Bob. What is this?
230-piece drill bit set. High-speed drill bits. You see there? If you guys have not followed our YouTube channel very long, or maybe you're new to us, we're always hunting drill bits, and we can't keep drill bits, so the more drill bits we got, the better. So, Rick Bob, those three gifts right there are great gifts. We appreciate that, and I'm very glad I was able to show them on camera.
They were serious. He was kind of scared.
Yeah. Thanks again, Rick.
Alright guys, so you guys just seen us unboxing all of the stuff here. We were also live on TikTok doing that because one of our followers on TikTok actually sent us some stuff, so we wanted to go live over there so he could watch us unbox it. So you probably heard me talking in the background to those people over there, but we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We've got some really great stuff. Excuse me. Turn this around and show you. We got some racing optics, thanks to Mr. Steve Reese. We got some oil.
We're betting this came from Hydraulic Services of Florida because they did send us a oil filter. If that is not the case,
let us know.
Comment down below, let us know, email us. There was no contact information in this box, so we're not sure who sent it.
All right. And that's Schaefer, that's what we run. What is that?
A mat.
Oh. We run Schaefer, oil, and VP fuel.
With right. Wix filter.
Yeah, just a rainbow over here.
Rainbow.
I knew you were gonna say that. Okay, keep going. What's all this?
This is a starter solenoid, thanks to Rick Bob Yee. And he's a follower over on TikTok. This is a deburring tool. Most people knows what that does. If you don't, it takes sharp edges off of different materials, like when you're drilling something or cutting something. That's extra bits for it. And this is a 230-piece set of high-speed drill bits. We're always needing drill bits, and we can't keep up with them, so very thankful for those.
Who breaks them the most?
That one right there.
Whew. If they can be broken, he gonna break a drill bit. Lord knows he's gonna break them.
So, thanks to each and every one of these guys, and maybe gals, I don't know, who sent us this, and we're greatly appreciative of it. We've already got one oil change covered this year, so that's huge.
And we've got several more packages coming, so yeah. There will probably be a couple more.
Like we said the other day, if there's something here that you have ordered that has not shown up, make sure you let us know. That way we can try to figure it out where it's at. But most of the time our mail lady's pretty good if we get our normal mail lady.
Yeah, everything will be on video. So if you don't see it on our videos, we haven't gotten it. Chris, you showed our people on TikTok. Show our people on YouTube your overalls.
That case is hot.
That's why. It's not because you're just a little too wide.
No,
If it's cold, you gotta button them up, but if it's hot, you gotta open them up.
Oh, okay. Get insulation and not insulated, so that's what you're saying. Okay. All right. So we appreciate everybody for sending us all this stuff from our Amazon wish list. You guys are greatly appreciated, and we can't put that into words enough. Thanks to all of our great partners. We are so appreciative. We've got more this year than we've ever had, and we can't quite put into words how thankful and appreciative we are for all those guys. But Warp Speed Performance Parts, Barry Apparel Co., Allsouth, Signs and Graphics by BB Designs, KT Heating and Air, Vinson Race Engine, Penske Shocks, Brand Transmissions, Gorsuch Performance, Hammers Grading, and Fatdaddys Crew out of Lafayette, Louisiana. I meant Indiana. Indiana. Sorry, we'll get yours together, Fat Daddy or Nathan. We'll get it together. We've just got so many. We're still trying to gather them all.
Trying to visualize the car.
We've never had to name off this many, but we're so appreciative, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you back soon. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe.